grade 5. So today we are doing another sorting activity. So what you're going to do is you are going to read each one of these boxes and decide if it's either a physical change or a chemical change, and then you'll drag it to where it needs to go. So again, I'm going to just go through each of these boxes for you, and then you're free to start the activity. So you have bending a metal bar, melting an ice cube, cutting an apple, melting ice cream, boiling water, crumpling a piece of paper, cutting a piece of paper, blending a piece of watermelon, mixing vinegar and baking soda to fill a balloon with gas, making dough into bread, cooking an egg so it is hard-boiled, an apple composting into soil, dropping tablets in a glass of water to create bubbles, bananas turning brown, nails turning rusty, an apple ripening, eating an apple, burning a piece of wood, iodine changing color when it touches starch, mixing two liquids to create a solid, beating an egg, breaking a glass, crushing an aluminum can, and dissolving salt in a glass of water. So again, you're going to just click on the pictures and drag them to either under physical changes or chemical changes. Once you've sorted all of the pictures, you can submit your assignment.